Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is absolutely crucial for anyone working in a lab or quality assurance: proficiency testing, or PT. If you've ever wondered what it is, why it's so important, and how it actually works, you're in the right place. Stick around, because mastering this can seriously boost your career. So, what exactly is proficiency testing? Think of it as a quality check for the lab itself. It's a way to externally evaluate your lab's performance by analyzing a set of unknown samples provided by an independent, third-party organization. You test these samples just like you would any regular customer sample, and then you submit your results. The provider then compares your results to the known values or to the results from a whole group of other participating labs. It's basically a report card for your laboratory's testing capabilities. Now, why should you care? The benefits are huge. First up is risk management. Participating in PT helps you identify potential issues in your testing processes before they become major problems. A poor PT result can be an early warning sign that something is off. Maybe a piece of equipment needs recalibration, a reagent has gone bad, or a technician needs more training. Catching these things early prevents inaccurate results from ever reaching your clients, protecting your lab's reputation and avoiding costly recalls or disputes. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Next, let's talk about continuous improvement. PT isn't just a pass or fail test. It's a powerful tool for growth. The data you get back provides objective evidence of your lab's performance. You can track your results over time, spot trends, and identify areas where you can refine your methods and reduce uncertainty. This commitment to ongoing improvement is what separates a good lab from a great one. It fosters a culture of quality where everyone is focused on getting better every single day. And that brings me to the third major benefit: client confidence. When your clients know you regularly participate in and pass proficiency tests, it builds a massive amount of trust. It shows them that your lab is committed to the highest standards of quality and that your results are reliable and accurate. This can be a huge competitive advantage, helping you win new business and retain loyal customers. It's a tangible way to demonstrate your lab's competence to regulators, accreditation bodies, and most importantly, your clients. So, how do you get involved? The process is pretty straightforward. First, you select a PT provider. You lines want to choose one that is accredited and offers schemes relevant to the tests your lab performs. Once you're enrolled, they'll send you the PT samples. It's critical to treat these samples exactly like any other sample that comes through your door. No special treatment. The whole point is to assess your routine performance. Use your standard methods, your usual equipment, and the technicians who normally run the tests. After you've completed the analysis, you report your results back to the provider by their deadline. Then comes the moment of truth, the report. This is where you get to see how you did. The report will typically show your result, the assigned value for the sample, and a performance score. Let's break down how to interpret these results. One of the most common performance indicators you'll see is the Z-score. A Z-score basically tells you how far your result is from the average. A Z-score between -2 and +2 is generally considered acceptable. It means your result is in line with what's expected. If you get a Z-score between 2 and 3, or -2 and -3, that's often a warning signal. It suggests a potential issue that needs investigation. A score greater than 3 or less than -3 is usually considered unacceptable and requires immediate corrective action. So what happens if you get an unsatisfactory result? Don't panic. The first step is to launch a thorough investigation to find the root cause. Was it human error? A problem with the equipment? An issue with your reagents or standards? You need to dig deep. Common corrective actions include retraining staff, recalibrating instruments, reviewing and revising your standard operating procedures, or validating a new batch of reagents. The key is to document everything: your investigation, the root cause you identified, and the corrective actions you took to fix it and prevent it from happening again. To wrap things up, proficiency testing is much more than just a requirement for accreditation. It's a fundamental pillar of a robust quality management system. For those of you building a career in quality assurance, understanding and championing PT is non-negotiable. It demonstrates your commitment to excellence and positions you as a valuable leader in your organization. It's how we ensure that the data we produce is accurate, reliable, and trustworthy. I hope this deep dive into proficiency testing was helpful for you. If you are a quality professional, subscribe to our channel. We have several videos with different topics that will make a total difference in your career upgrade.